Hey guys, today we're going to discuss the top 6 mistakes businesses make when building their websites. Whether you're starting a business or already running one, these mistakes can cost you money, customers, and your brand's reputation. Let's dive right into it. Mistake number 1, no clear goal for the website. Many businesses create a website simply because they feel they have to, but without a clear goal, whether it's for sales, leads, or brand awareness, their website ends up being confusing. Mistake number 2, poor mobile experience. Over 60% of website traffic comes from mobile devices. If your website appears unappealing or is difficult to navigate on mobile devices, you're likely losing customers. Mobile-first design is a must. Mistake number 3, slow website speed. Nobody likes a slow website. If your site takes longer than 3 seconds to load, people will leave. Fast websites are more conversions. Mistake number 4, bad navigation. If visitors can't find what they need fast, they'll leave. Simple menus and search bars are key to keeping users engaged. Mistake number 5, weak call to action, CTA. Missing or unclear CTAs cost you potential customers. Always guide your visitors with a strong, visible CTA on every page. Mistake number 6, ignoring SEO basics. Even the best website is useless if no one can find it. Optimize titles, descriptions, and keywords to ensure optimal visibility in search engines. That's it, the 6 common website mistakes. If you're building or upgrading your site, keep these in mind to avoid headaches and wasted money. If you found this helpful, follow us.